The whole world is talking about ChatGPT. It's quickly become the most advanced AI in existence, and it got me thinking, can you actually use this brand new bot to make money online? Well, I'm here to tell you that there are many ways to make money from home using the ChatGPT AI, and I'm going to show you how right now. Here's a website where you can answer questions and get paid more than $7,500 per month. Now, this is one of the questions on this platform, and if you answer it, you'll get paid $10. So I will just copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. It will give me an answer right away, which I can then send back to the website and earn money just like that. This is a very useful tool, and in this video, I will show you 5 easy ways to make money with ChatGPT that don't require any special skills and no investments. Number 5, we have bot building. Did you know that the ChatGPT AI is capable of building other AI bots? How much apocalypse? Not when robots are taking over the world and you can make money from it. I'm joking, that's not going to happen at all, or is it? So yes, ChatGPT can write code for other AI systems. Even though it will never admit it, use Slidell. You can ask ChatGPT to write code for a chatbot, a bot that automatically replies to messages on social media, or even better, a bot that can run a Discord group and talk to people in the server. On a website like Upwork, you can get paid $800 upfront for this, and ChatGPT will get it done in seconds. You don't need to know anything about programming. ChatGPT will even tell you how to use the code that it writes for you, and it will walk you through the steps to get the whole thing up and running. If you have a good idea, ChatGPT will make it work and pay you for it. Going back to the website I showed you guys before, it's called studypol.com. This is a website where you can get paid thousands of dollars to answer homework questions about a bunch of different topics. You just have to sign up to be a tutor, and when people post questions on this platform, you can answer them and get paid $20, $40, or more. Normally, this would be a huge problem because you would need to know a lot about these topics to answer the questions correctly and make money. However, this is not a problem when you have a crazy powerful tool like ChatGPT. For instance, this is a religious question. Here it pays about $20. I'm just going to copy this question and paste it into ChatGPT. It will then write a completely new piece of text on the subject you want, and it can be as long as you want. Here you go, I just made $20. I could just copy this whole thing, go back to studypol.com, and submit it as an answer. I would get $20 right away without having to do anything. You can actually go to Google and check whole thing is completely accurate. Most of the time, it is amazing how this platform works, especially when you have websites like this to actually put it to good use. Now let's get back to the video. The next step is translation. Now, one of the best things about ChatGPT is that it can use a website like guru.com to translate text from one language to another. Translation jobs can pay up to $50 per hour, and some jobs pay a lot more than that. As I look for translation on the website, I can see that there are some gigs that pay thousands of dollars just for you to help write some original content, like this one that pays just under $250 for a job that tells you to translate Persian to English. It's pretty simple, but let's see if ChatGPT can do it. I copied some text written in Persian, so let's tell it to translate this to English, and it says, don't forget to share this video with a friend who will find the information so far in this video helpful. So if you got this job, all you would have to do is copy the whole thing the client sends you. Complete ChatGPT pasting here and tell it to translate this to English. It will do that in a few seconds, and you will get paid the amount listed. If you thought that was crazy, the next one will blow your mind. We already know that ChatGPT is very good at writing new text using artificial intelligence, but did you know that it can also summarize text that was written by humans? Let's say you have a 50-page document that is too long and boring to read. You can just copy the whole thing and paste it into ChatGPT. It will then go through the whole document and summarize the whole thing to bring out all the key pieces of information. This saves so much time, and of course, people will pay you to help them with the same problem. You can also use the website guru.com. You can see down here that some summary writing gigs pay up to $2,000 for a single gig, and there are multiple drops down here that you should definitely check out. These pay really well, so you should definitely take advantage of this great chance. Lastly, we have content creation. Now, this is the part that really freaked me out about the ChatGPT AI bot. It's so good at making content that it's almost too good, if you ask me. With the help of algorithms for natural language processing and machine learning, ChatGPT can create high-quality content that is both interesting and accurate. We'll go back to guru.com to see how much money you can make doing this. This one is a novel that will pay you up to $5,000 to help them finish a book. Another one pays up to $5,000 if you work in the medical space. These pay really well, and you can definitely use ChatGPT for gigs like these. Take this job as an example. So this is a niche website for the niche of aviation. I'm going to copy this, then go back to ChatGPT and tell it to write an article about the world of aviation. It will give you a really long and interesting paragraph right away for the exact question you send it. Just read through this article. You will never know that this was written by a bot or an AI. You can even ask it to change parts of the paragraphs to make them longer, more interesting, or in a different tone, among other things. This is a great way to save time and other valuable resources. It also gives you more chances to make money if you make your own content. ChatGPT can help you come up with ideas for YouTube videos, engaging titles, and thumbnail ideas. It can give you content ideas for your social media if you have an Instagram page, and if you want to get even more fancy, you can get it to write ad copy for a marketing campaign if you happen to run an ad agency. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the following video.